So you can see the softness of the crumb. I hope you can catch. Hey guys, welcome to Sponges to Spatula, and this is Pallavi. So today we are going to make the healthiest possible cake. Yes, the healthiest possible cake which you can eat without any guilt. So even during your weight loss regime, you can eat without any guilt. It will not increase even 100 grams of weight. Instead, it might facilitate in your weight loss program. So you can see the ingredients, quite a lot of ingredients, but all of them are easily available in your pantry. So today we are going to make the healthiest possible cake. Yes, the healthiest possible cake which you can eat without any guilt. So even during your weight loss regime, you can eat without any guilt. It will not increase even 100 grams of weight. Instead, it might facilitate in your weight loss program. So you can see the ingredients, quite a lot of ingredients, but all of them are easily available in your pantry. So without much undue delay, let's get started. Okay, the required ingredients are whole wheat flour. This is whole wheat flour and 200 grams of whole wheat flour. Then just half the quantity, that is 100 grams of melted jaggery. This is melted with slight amount of water. What is jaggery? This is organic jaggery made from sugarcane without any chemical processing. After this, you require 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1.5 tablespoon of sesame seeds. These are roasted sesame seeds. Then 5 cashews and 5 almonds. These are also roasted. This one is optional. This is basically seeds of cardamoms, 4 cardamoms. I have roasted this also, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Those who don't like the taste of cardamom and fennel, they can replace it with 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay. This is our key ingredient. This is pumpkin, 50 grams of pumpkin peeled and sliced. I'll make a paste of it. You can either grate it and use also. And 40 grams of grated bottle gourd. I hope you all know what a bottle gourd is. This is a bottle gourd. And just 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. No refined oil. Only 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. Those who are vegan and want to veganize this recipe, you can simply replace it with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Cold pressed coconut oil. Okay. And you'll require water to mix all of these. So let's begin with the process. Basically, I roast all the seeds and nuts because it helps to release the essential oils which it has, and hence all of these seeds and nuts help to reduce your weight if taken in a proper way. And not only that, pumpkin and bottle gourd in Ayurveda, in Indian medicine, has a very important place for reducing weight. So even clarified butter taken in proper amount helps to reduce your weight. It's said that every day 5 grams of clarified butter taken helps to initiate your weight loss program. Those who are vegan, please take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into it. When you roast your cardamoms and fennels, it gives a very beautiful aroma. You can see I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. That's it. Some of the people have asked me why I don't sieve the baking soda along with the flour. That's because for some beginners I have seen, even when I was a beginner while baking, many times I used to overmix the batter and the chemical reaction used to take itself while mixing only, and my cake would come out deflated. But the solution to this is add your baking soda or baking powder in the last and then mix it well. The very last ingredient is our dusted nuts. You can either slowly mix with the help of your whisk or utilize your spatula to slowly mix it. Here, it's ready. Now, jaggery is totally your choice. You can add stevia in place of it, and even you can increase or decrease the amount of sweetener you wish. That would totally depend upon the type of sweetener you want. Trust me guys, you will love it. This recipe is tried and tested. Now we are going to insert it in our preheated cooker, but first we'll sprinkle some sesame seeds. I love the crunchiness of sesame seeds, and some roasted cashews and almonds that we had kept aside for our decorations purpose. There you go. And carefully we'll insert in our cooker. Yes, I'm baking it in our cooker only, without any oven, because here I don't have my oven where I am stuck. Now we'll let it bake for 40 to 45 minutes and then we'll check the condition. The flame would be medium to slow, and let's see after 40 minutes. Okay guys, it's been almost 15 minutes and our cake is baked so pretty. Let's check whether it's cooked well or not. Okay, our toothpick is clean with a very slight moist crumbs, but these are not uncooked crumbs, these are actually the moist ones. And carefully we need to take out our so So you can see it has risen so well, and it's beautiful color. It has a very nice nutty flavor, and the best part is you're not going to put on weight after munching 1 or 2 slices of it even every day if you want to. But it's better that you maintain your cheat day one single day in a week, and I'll show you the crumb after it cools down a little. See how beautiful it has come out. Wow. And I hope you can catch the moistness, the sponginess that the cake has. I'll show you once it cools down and a slice of it. Okay guys, it's been for 15 minutes. Now it's cooled. So it's time to just show you the crumbs and the moistness of the cake. It's too moist. You have to be a little careful because it has very minimum fat into it. You can see it's so moist, it's still hot. So can you see guys, just see the crumb. It's super moist, but it takes a little bit longer to cook because it has very minimum fat into it. It will take around 50 to 55 minutes depending upon your oven. If you are baking it in an oven, then please please set the temperature at 350 Fahrenheit and bake it for 50 to 55 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. So you can see the softness of the crumb. I hope you can catch. So enjoy the cake without any guilt and let me know how you liked the recipe. Please give it a try, and if you like my recipe, then please hit the like button, like my channel, please subscribe, and bye. I'll be back with another innovative idea. So bye and take care guys.